Hey guys, Reese Field here. It is Saturday, November 26th, 4:37 p.m. End of the hunting day, as of right now. Just ended. And yeah, that's it for me. It's been a really good time. We left our place in Waukesha, down south Wisconsin, and for the break moved up to Mishicot, near the base of the thumb of Wisconsin, just to see if we could try out a little bit of different spot for deer hunting this time, and it's been a blast. We had great fun, had a really good time, made a lot of memories. Shot my first doe. That was great. Yeah, just had a really good time. I really enjoyed it. Our family really had a blast, and yeah, definitely a memorable occasion. The hunting season for today is officially over, but there's still one more day in the entire season. That's tomorrow. But right now we're going to be getting in the car and heading back down south to home. And so there's still a chance that we could get something. Yeah, the hunt's not over. It's never over. But for today, it is. And I'm stuck out here in the woods, 25-minute walk away from the car, and the sun has set. So I'm gonna need to find my way back. So peace, y'all. It's been a fun time. Had a great break. Really enjoyed it. Been really relaxful, and such an awesome experience. So ciao, people.